Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the monthly reads. This is going to be for the sign of Leo. So let's see what is coming up for Leos for the month of April 2021. I've already pulled the oracle cards to save time, and I will be adding charms in this reading as well. But yeah, I will be putting the tarot on cam for the monthly read. So yeah, before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. Always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's dive into the reading, Leos, and let's find out what is happening for you guys in the month of April 2021. I can see the King of Pentacles. For some of you, you could be very much stable, in the month of March, or maybe it could be the energy of the person that you're going to be dealing with as well. Somebody who's, feeling very stable financially, emotionally, mentally, and as well as I feel like, somebody's really feeling very practical around the things happening in their life. So maybe for some of you, your approach towards life is going to be more of practical than romantic or anything else. So yeah, let's see what is happening for the Leos in the month of April. Let's begin. Page of Wands, the Lovers, High Priestess, Nine of Swords. It can be you, it can be the energy of the person that you're dealing with as well. I feel like, some sort of divine connection is going to be felt by you in the month of April with a specific someone. You would feel as if everything that is working, be that against the connection right now, or be that, in the favor of the connection right now, is going to make you feel like, everything is basically divinely worked, divinely timed. Even if you pick up a fight, you would try to link it somehow to a positive outcome. So I feel like, there is going to be a lot of communication that you will be having with your specific someone or towards a specific someone with the divine around the connection that you have with a specific someone. I feel like, there is a lot happening in the divine, in the real world, or in the non-physical world, I would call. Um, there's a lot happening. There's a lot happening that you cannot even understand why this then that. If and only if you could keep a journal about your dreams that you have that you're having in the month of April around the same person or on the same connection, you would understand where things are heading. Because I feel like, even if you're not talking to this person in real, you will be talking to this person, communicating to this person through the you know what we call it, telepathic communication, or communication through, energies that you would be having with this person. You might see this person waking up in the middle of the night, maybe texting you up. You might be the one doing so to them as well, where you feel that something is like, telling you to talk to this person. Maybe the person that you are dealing with will be feeling that kind of connection somewhere where you would feel like to reach out to them, or they would feel like to reach out to you as well during this, especially the night times are going to be the time when you're going to be like feeling some sort of connection, some sort of divine thing happening to both of you to make things work in this connection. So for some of you, maybe there is another person in your life who is manifesting this connection for you if things have been very stuck and stagnant in your love life, and maybe you would start feeling that there is a specific someone in your life and the universe really want you to patch up with that one person. Maybe you are not willing to go for that, but somehow there will be something connecting you two together. It can be a friend of yours, it can be a friend of your person's as well, but I do see some sort of help, some sort of guidance coming towards the two of you to come closer to each other. Let's see more cards here. Four of Cups. Things are going to change very unrealistically, I would say, between the two of you, and you will be guided towards each other. Four of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, Two of Cups, and Four of Pentacles. I feel like, for some reasons, your person would be feeling the same towards you, but maybe you are more expressive, maybe you are going to tell them, or maybe they are more expressive, they're going to share their experience of it. But on the other side, on the other hand, on the other side, either one of you is going to be like, oh my god, what's happening. One person will be sharing, oh my god, I felt this and that and this and that. One person will be talking through, like, be that through the dreams, or be that, like, in real as well. But I feel like, the other person is going to be like, holding themselves back, because they are not going to understand what's happening in this connection. But some sort of it's more like in divine help is coming to sort things out in your love life, especially if they have been stuck and stagnant for quite some time. um, Things are happening, things are changing, and let's see more cards here first. There could be, like, no communication between the two of you right now, but soon in the month of April, it seems like, you're gonna feel like, what's going on, I don't know why I'm feeling this way for this person. Maybe they have blocked you, you have blocked them, but then there is some strange kind of thing happening between the two of you. You might be seeing them in the dreams as well, they might be seeing you in their dreams as well. There will be a lot happening in the night time for the two of you. You would be feeling like, there's a need for you to talk to them, there's a need for you to take this connection serious. It can be your energy, it can be the energy of the person that you are dealing with. I don't see that right now the energy of the connection is positive. But I do see it changing. I do see things changing, evolving in this connection. That too, with the divine help coming in, with the divine guidance coming in. There is the soulmate connection, but somebody, be that you or the person, or maybe both of you, are now holding yourself back on, in one way or the other. But somehow, the communication will start coming in, and so does, you know, things will start moving forward in this connection. If there has been, some sort of blocks in this connection, they are also going to go away. Somebody's really going to be ready to understand what this connection is like as they see the other person in dreams. It can be you, it can be them. Whoever is the one who is holding away or holding back from this connection, I feel like, that person is going to feel like, there is a strange need for them to talk to the person. um Things are changing, evolving, expression of love is coming in, stability is coming in. Things gonna move forward, things gonna get stable, things gonna get, practical, into I feel like, if it seems like, somebody's really, really manifesting it. Maybe it's not you, maybe it's your parents, like, they are wishing, praying for you. And maybe it's like, some sort of they really want to see you happy. It could be a person that has left this, maybe they have passed away or something, and they are like, wishing and praying that you do get something good in your love life. And that's how the universe is, like, making things work for you with a specific someone from the past, or somebody that you already know. If not somebody from the past, this person is somebody that you already know and you are in communication with, or they have blocked you, you have blocked them. Somebody you have always known for quite some time, maybe. They and you are destined to come together. I feel like, the divine is basically bringing you closer to each other. There's a lot of clarity coming in this connection, and I feel like, things gonna move forward between the two of you. Let's see, what is it that, what that person is feeling for the two of you right now. Where it is that you're dealing with. What do they think about you or feel about you right now? Their time feels left alone, but then they know that things are not as bad as they start making to feel like. You know, it seems like, there is, like, this energy coming in where things are not as bad, but somebody's really trying to make them look so bad. And then there are times when they feel like, oh my god, everything is perfect. And then there is this energy around this connection, like, somehow, um, what it could be like. Why do they want to run away? And why don't they take a decision? Somebody's finances are definitely becoming a big issue here in this connection. Like, finances or something to do with the financial stability. Um, it can be a person's energy, it can be your own energy as well. But I feel like, that's definitely blocking either one of you. But at the same time, sometimes they feel like maybe if we talk about, you deciding to take this connection to the next level, maybe sometimes you feel like maybe I don't have enough resources for myself. Then how can I manage a family with this much resources? Then there are times when you feel like, no, I really feel like, I should take this connection to the next level. And then there are like, these differences of opinions that you have from within you. Like, it's not about the other person that you are dealing with. I do see that there is some sort of a, inner conflict that you have around this person, or that you have around this connection, or how you want to take it to the next level. But then something is going to come through from the divine, which is going to, like, make you understand, okay, fine, maybe you can, still make things work. You can, still go and take this connection to the next level, and then maybe together you will, make things work, in terms of finances as well. So I do see somebody is really very practical here. They are like, trying to figure out, if we get married now, how will we do this and that? Will you be able to maintain a healthy family life with this person financially? Because I feel like, one person is really very concerned here about the finances, and how the finances are going to be after marriage, or after commitment, or after, they become a responsibility to you, or you become a responsibility to them. So there is some sort of a, monetary things that one person is trying to figure out, so they could pursue this connection seriously to the next level. So it can be you, it can be them. But I do see things working out. I do see things, gonna take the materialistic, things gonna get materialized in this connection between the two of you. Whatever one person is thinking, be that you or the person that you are dealing with regarding this connection, they will be able to make it materialize. Like, whatever they are hoping and wishing around this connection, they will be able to make it happen in the real, in this connection as well. So I feel like it's going to be an overall a good month. But yes, I feel like, there will be, like, happy and low days as well in this month. So just be, ready for it. Don't get overwhelmed if you have a bad day, because the next day is going to be a good day again. Angel numbers, new and, some endings and new beginnings are definitely destined to happen. You might see angel numbers as well in this month as well. 3 months time, maybe within 3 months time from now, you are going to, make things work in this connection with your specific someone. Stop overthinking. Maybe overthinking is draining your connection. Work on your confidence. That can be a message for you, or the cross watcher as well. Try to think happy thoughts around this connection that you have with your specific someone. Let's see more cards here. Dance, move your body to music. Dance with the rhythm of life. Manifest your dreams through dance. It's very important for you to enjoy your life to the fullest. Like, whatever the scenario is, try to have only happy thoughts on your mind, so you could manifest more of it. You are confused and indecisive because you do not have enough information. Do research or seek expert advice before making a decision. For some of you, maybe you're confused because it's something that you're thinking about the future. And it's like, something that you haven't experienced before. Maybe you're planning to get married to this person, and it's like, it's confusing you, thinking like, will I be able to make, have a happy or give a happy home life to my partner? It can be you thinking that, or maybe it's your partner thinking that. So if you don't feel like, it's good enough, you are stable enough to take care of your family, maybe you need some advice coming from the elders, or somebody, who could guide you through this path. So you can maybe, seek help, guidance if you need around the whole situation. But as you make your decision, make sure that you are not delaying any area of your, life for the other area of your life. Like, for instance, if you are, feeling like, you don't have enough money to take care of a family, maybe you can talk things through, so you don't delay the love life because you feel that, there is not enough money in your work situation. So just try to talk things through, and you will be guided with some, maybe good idea coming from another person in your life as well. It can be elders, it can be a colleague, it can be a friend or something. Or if you seek guidance from the divine, maybe the divine is going to help you and guide you through this, tough decision of your life regarding love life. Creation, for some of you, the universe is going to give you a lot of ideas during this time. Try to be receptive to receive those ideas, and try to release any fear that you have around maybe commitment or taking the connection to the next level because of the money situations. Sapphire, regenerate your body, number 38. For some of you, could be age 38, or maybe the person that you are dealing with is going to be age 38 as well. Try to wear sapphire if you can, and stones, if you are into gems and everything. It's going to help you a lot with the regeneration of thoughts, positivity, and creation as well. If you are somebody to do with arts, it's going to help you a lot, especially when it comes to writing something down. It's going to help you a lot. Spend quality time together, listen and talk to each other. It's going to be a good time for you to talk to each other, share whatever it is that is bothering each of you around the same situation, around the connection, around how you want to take this connection to the next level or so, something around those lines as well. Try to talk things through without doing the talk or discussion. Things will not be sorted out, so make sure you make some room for each other so you could talk, communicate, and fix things out. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for the month of April. If the reading resonated with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.